Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. So I was thinking to start another series where I'll be sharing few stocks for the next week or so, जहाँ पे मुझे like kind of reversal or breakout दिखता है and you might see some strength going forward. So first stock है उसमें it's Britannia. तो ब्रिटानिया में देखो अगर दिस वाज अ ब्रेकआउट हियर आई मीन दिस इज अ वीकली चार्ट सो यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट यहाँ पे इसका रेजिस्टेंस था देन इट टच द रेजिस्टेंस हियर एज वेल इधर हियर आल्सो इट ट्राइड यहाँ पे भी ट्राई किया एंड देन उसके बाद यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट एंड देन मूव नाउ इसने क्या किया है कि इट हैज रीटेस्टेड दिस ब्रेकआउट और वीकली चार्ट पे मतलब यहाँ से देखे इट हैज गिवन सम सॉर्ट ऑफ रिवर्सल सो अभी लग रहा है कि इट इज रिवर्सल सो वी कैन टेक ट्रेड फ्रॉम दिस लेवल फॉर स्विंग बेसिकली तो यहाँ पे क्या हो सकता है कि यू इनिशिएट ट्रेड समवेयर हियर और ऑन द डेली चार्ट समवेयर नियर टू दिस पॉइंट एंड एनी पुल बैक और यहाँ पे below this level you can put the stop loss so this is the one Britannia first target would be I mean we need to check on the daily yeah but you can weekly be around 3800 का resistance है daily पे this is the first resistance around 3600 and then next target would be around 3680 3700 okay so this is first thing if you can trail then it's 3800 is the next target another one is on the same segment is Hindustan Unilever so if you see this on the weekly as well Hindustan ये trend line पे support ले रहा है so generally the trend lines are not so I mean not always work basically sometimes they do magic but what I'm trying to say is horizontal support and resistance works better than the like this diagonal trend line but if the triangle diagonal has a confluence of support then it can be I mean more reliable okay so here अगर देखो यहाँ पे एक support है weekly पे then यहाँ पे also it tried here also it tried one here also so अभी ये trend line है और यहाँ पे देखो 20 week or 50 week I mean around the blue line is 50 week moving average exponential moving average so यहाँ पे इसने एक kind of reversal pattern बनाया है near to trend line and 50 that is the bullish harami pattern so once it cross above this two candles high so we can see some sort of pullback or the reversal from this so if you are looking for the swing trade you can try and below this should be your week I mean trailing sorry stop loss okay so these are in the two uh, things another one yeah this I posted on the Twitter as well this is the daily let me come to daily this is the Gland Pharma so Gland Pharma ने अच्छा खासा I mean it has given the good breakout here then it tested this level so if right now it has not given any sort of reversal candle but yes it has tested the breakout so अगर ये यहाँ से नीचे आता है और यहाँ पे कोई एक रिवर्सल कैंडल बनाता है and then it start moving so you can track this and if there is any I mean reversal candle so below this you can uh, uh, stop loss below that and you can take the entry and try for the reversal trade here or the breakout retested okay so this is another one is this shopper stop so if you look for shopper stop so like you know the trend is going well so in the same segment if you see this shopper stops has given the breakout see यहाँ पर so अभी ये it was in a range this range एंड अभी उसने एक ब्रेकआउट दिया है ठीक है एंड इट इज ऑन द डेली चार्ट सारे मूविंग एवरेज के ऊपर है तो अभी क्या अभी ये एक इसने यहाँ से रिजेक्शन कैंडल मिला है अराउंड 265 टू 66 लेवल से सो क्या हो सकता है कि दिस में कम टू दिस लेवल टू रीटेस्ट द ब्रेकआउट अराउंड दिस 225 लेवल्स और लेवल्स और वहां से वापस ये it can start moving up so just keep eye on this don't enter immediately because right now the risk and reward is not favorable so what you can do is just wait for some sort of pullback and then you can take the entry ठीक है another one अभी रेडार में एक और आया है, इट इज दिस डेल्टा क्रॉप. सो डेल्टा क्रॉप का देखो, volumes are rising. If you see from last 4 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, last 4 days volumes are rising. And even if you go to weekly chart, so देखो weekly में it is about 20 week exponential moving average, and this is the range it is coming out. यहाँ पे इस range से कम it's coming out. Okay, this range it's coming out. And what another thing to notice here, in recent time these week volumes are the highest. If you see from like around 2018, after 2018, so I mean for the on the volume on the upper side is like this highest volume, so it might give some good sort of trade here, where the on the weekly the target would be around the 220s, and you can have the stop loss below 140 level, so it's like 1:1 risk reward it will be there. Okay, yeah. And another one is Bata. So Bata I posted on the Twitter some daily chart यहाँ पे मैंने पोस्ट किया था, somewhere around, I'm not sure, maybe on this candle, but it tried to go above, then took rejection from 20 and 50 DEMA और वापस यहाँ पे आ गया. So इसने here it gave the reversal candle also, but I didn't initiate any trade because I wanted to see, because इसने यहाँ से कहा multiple time it has tested this breakout level and reversed, but it's not able to sustain and go up. So what I was waiting is just a weekly confirmation. So अभी weekly में देखो, it's a confluence support. First is this trend line, then these are the moving averages support, and then this is the previous breakout that is now acting as a support. So यहाँ से इसने it's like Marubozu candle, not the complete Marubozu, but yeah, you see that the upper wicks is really small as compared to body. So abhi you can play for the swing trade on the weekly basis, so it may take some time, but yeah, you might be either on some pullback, or here you can enter and put your stop loss below the trend line levels. So that can be another thing. Another stock is on radar is Gati. So I'm seeing some momentum on the logistics stocks, so you can keep eye on that. Another stocks as well. I'm just giving you the overview because it's not possible to cover many stocks. But yeah, see this. So this was a big candle, green candle. Now it is above its 20-day weeks exponential moving average. Then it took this. You see the reversal candle. It took support from here and then it's bounced back. Then this it was in this consolidation for a complete, I mean for many weeks inside this candle. Okay, now it has given the breakout with volume, so you can track this, and if you want to, I mean, enter, either you can enter at the breakout retest around this 10710 levels, or you can take the entry. But yeah, here because the candle is really big, your stop loss would be wide, so take your position sizing accordingly. Okay, so these are the stocks. I mean, I have covered many. There are, I mean, I have seen many. I'm posting on the Twitter and Telegram channel as well, but not possible to cover each and everything. But yeah, you can keep these things on radar. So if you are watching this, at least you should have some benefit, right? So for your benefit, let me give you one more extra bonus that I guess not many people are tracking, but yeah, yeah, it came to my radar. This is the stock which I feel that you should be considering. See, this is going out of this long consolidation. I mean, from 1 year consolidation, it is now coming out slowly from this range, and this is another resistance from where it's trying to break out. So keep this thing on radar. It has just given the golden crossover here. So any pullback or anything, because this is small or mid cap companies might have the risk along associated with that. So try your, I mean, have your position sizing according to that. But yeah, this is looking really good to me this point of time, because here also you see this was its let me draw on weekly. Okay, so Yeah, this was his support that was broken before, and now this was acting as a resistance, and now it has broken this resistance, you see. And here also this 20 week is trying to cross this 50 week ascending, I mean it's sloping upwards. Okay, so just keep it on radar. uh, it's not on radar of for many people for now, so this is the bonus for you guys, just keep it on radar. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching, and if you like, please share and subscribe. I know that many people are watching the videos. I see that how I can see how many people have watched, but you are not subscribing it or liking it. If you like this, share it or the subscribe it. It gives me motivation to come up with the videos. And this series, whatever I have started, uh, I'll try to come up on weekly basis and try to explain the logic behind that trade or the levels, so you get to learn something. So please don't miss this stuff, and hit the subscribe and the bell icon button so you don't miss this kind of videos in future. Okay, and another thing, if you want to get the more stocks, you can join my Telegram channel, where wherever I see any stock opportunity, I post along with chart and level, so you can take trade based on that. But disclaimer, I'm not suggesting anything. These are just my views that I share, and if you like these ideas and everything, anything you can take according trade according to that. Okay, so this is not a recommendation, this is just like I'm sharing the knowledge with you guys. Thank you guys, please uh, like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon button. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot.